Hello developers. So in this tutorial we will understand Kotlin comments. First, what is comments? So comments are used to explain code and make it more readable. They can also be used to temporarily disable code during testing. We generally write comments to explain code that make it more readable. Okay, so there are two types of comment, single line comment and multi-line comment. First, let's go with single line comment. So here I'll take one example. Hello developers. Okay, you can print anything. Here I'll add one comment. We add single line comment with the help of double forward slash. Okay, so this is our single line comment. Here I can give this is my greeting message. Now, if I launch my application and then in output console window, we can see hello developers. That means this line number 14 has been ignored by compiler. Okay, the comment which we have given, compiler does not read. Compiler just ignore that line. Now, multi-line comment. Here I can give welcome to Kotlin programming language. Welcome to Kotlin programming language. Here I can give multi-line comment. We add multi-line comment with the help of forward slash, star, and then again star and forward slash. So here I can add multi-line comment. For now I'm giving this is my welcome message which display on splash screen for 3 seconds. So here I have from line number 19 to line number 23 I have added multi-line comment, and here we can see line number 20, line number 21 and line number 23. So these line compiler will ignore. Compiler will not read. Okay, only this line number 25th will be executed. So let's launch application to check output, and here we can see output welcome to Kotlin programming language. Let's see one real-time example. So quickly I'll take var age equal 30. Here condition, if age greater than 18, then I'm printing you are eligible for driving lessons. Now here I want to give comment person's age, that is single line comment. Here I can give multi-line comment with the help of forward slash, star, and then star and forward slash. Here I can write multiple comment. So I'll give we we are checking users eligibility for driving lessons. Perfect. Okay, so here we have given multi-line comment from line number 32 to line number 36. Compiler will ignore this code, and here it will check eligibility. Here we have condition, when the age is greater than 18, then it will print this line of code, line number 38. Here as we can see, age equal 30, that means age is greater than 80, so it should print this line. Let's launch application to check output. So here in output console window we can see output, you are eligible for driving lessons. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.